I remember I have one girlfriend is there. She's always sending a mail. I was in IBM. She worked in Wipro, Wipro only 3 months. And then she moved to Infosys. Just we are always communicating with her mail. In her mail signature, there is one line is there at last. What is that line is? Smile. Always smile. It costs nothing. Always smile. It costs nothing. You are not required to pay to smile. Okay, this is the line tagline will be there. Okay, in her okay signature in the mail auto signatures we are going to add, right? The signature will be added automatically, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in that she is always that is her signature. Okay, she will sign name, all those things will be there, but this tagline also will be there. Smile. Okay, it costs nothing. Then immediately we ask, Are Durga sir in every class one girlfriend story is telling how many girlfriends he has, like no. Yes, sir. Okay, so but anyway, the concept is important. Observe that, of course.
Artificial girlfriends, right, sir?
Hey, no. Yo, Wipro, Infosys, all these things I'm telling, man. Still, how you can feel that it is Wipro, she worked in 3 months. In Infosys, she worked more time. I'm telling,
Oh, I
there is
thought
a
all are cooked girlfriends, sir. I thought so. You're real?
These are all on record, sir.
two
Directly
examples.
giving it
Two
into.
examples I told. Okay, so one small thing you can aware. 20 almost around at what year? 2003, 2004, 2005 around. 2002, 2003, 2004, without thinking a single second, I'm telling this example. After 10 years also, if you are going to ask me, I will tell the same example. Because it's the real man, Mahesh. Okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's, girlfriend means need not be lover,
Two.
right? Girlfriend, that's a true friend.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. So now observe that it costs nothing. So I saw that statement. Okay, the almost around 2003, 2000, 2004, 2005, around that time only. Okay. So now my question, yeah, the important point is the first impression. The best first impression is always going to be with a smile. Remember that carefully, right? Okay, with a smile. So in my life, related to this smile, of course, this is one point I'm always keeping. Every mail she's sending, I'm always eager to see that signature multiple times. Even that signature also, line won't be there. Line, she's not going to keep only just a type of text. She's going to keep, something like animated kind of thing. Smile, it costs nothing, like with the animation, the signature is going to come. Wow, wonderful. So seems to be it made me a big impression. Okay, like